Black inventors contributed to American innovation from the nation's earliest decades. Yet access to education, capital, and legal protection was limited or denied. Patent systems were expensive and often inaccessible. In many cases, inventions were registered under the names of employers or institutions instead of the people who created them.
We shall proceed with the patent application.
Some inventors found work as mechanics, engineers, or technicians without public credit. Others patented inventions but remained excluded from broader recognition or financial benefit. Their work shaped everyday life: household tools, transportation systems, agricultural devices, communication technologies. The absence of names in textbooks does not reflect the absence of contribution. It reflects the barriers that controlled who could claim ownership. Innovation did not occur in isolation. It emerged from necessity, skill, and problem solving within constrained conditions. Recovering this history is not about correction for its own sake. It is about accuracy.